Ajayastromoneyguru viewer. I'm Nina, and welcome back to another insightful update on the commodities market. Today, on the 13th of December 2023, we've got a lot to cover, from the sliding crude oil prices to the suspenseful atmosphere in the gold market ahead of the Fed's rate decision. So, let's dive right in. Crude oil prices took a dip in Asian trade today after experiencing a 3% drop in the previous session, hitting 6-month lows. Brent crude futures for February slipped by a cent to $73.23 a barrel, while US WTI crude futures for January dropped 2 cents to $68.59 a barrel. The oversupply and concerns about demand are weighing heavily on the market. The market stumbled as US inflation readings for November came in higher than expected, suggesting that the Federal Reserve might not cut interest rates early next year. Adding to the pressure, the U.S. Energy Information Administration raised its supply forecast for 2023 by 300,000 barrels per day, reaching 12.93 million barrels per day. This bearish outlook puts oil on a path to extend its decline for the 7th straight week. Investors are eagerly awaiting the FOMC decision, which could provide insights into the future trajectory of oil prices. Speaking of the FOMC, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve, which is expected to keep rates on hold. However, the focus is on Fed officials' views on the economy and potential interest rate movements in the coming quarters. In global news, the United Nations passed a resolution calling for an immediate ceasefire in Gaza. President Joe Biden warns that Israel's international support is at risk due to civilian casualties. Meanwhile, COP28 negotiations are in the final hours, with governments grappling over the future of oil and fossil fuels. A draft deal on Monday faced criticism for not calling for a fossil fuel phase-out. Shifting gears to the gold market, prices remain largely unchanged in early Asian hours as we brace for the U.S. Federal Reserve's interest rate decision later today. Spot gold is flat at $1,980.58 per ounce, with U.S. gold futures ticking 0.1% higher to $1,995.80. Investors eagerly anticipate Chair Jerome Powell's press conference, hoping for insights into the Fed's monetary policy outlook amid expectations of rate cuts in the first half of 2024. The U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, edged up 0.1% last month, with the CPI increasing by 3.1% in the 12 months through November. Market participants are also keeping an eye on the upcoming policy meetings of the European Central Bank and the Bank of England. So, that wraps up today's market update. As always, stay informed and make wise investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. This is Nina, signing off for Ajayastromoneyguru. Until next time, happy investing.